Hi, I'm Matt Phillips for TechRadar, and here's everything you need to know about the Motorola Razr in 1 minute. The revamped Razr was announced by Motorola at their event in LA on November 13th. With a design clearly inspired by the original Razr line from 2004, this new Razr's main focus is on its foldable screen. The main display is a respectable 6.2 inches, and when folded, the phone has a 2.7-inch display that acts mostly like a smartwatch, allowing you to quickly reply to messages and manage your music. Thanks to the Razr's innovative hinge design, when folded, the Razr is just 14mm thick. Everything else that the phone has to offer is pretty average. Running Android 9 with a 16-megapixel main camera, 6GB of RAM, and a Snapdragon 710, these aren't exactly specs to get excited about. And our biggest worry is with the Razr's 2510 mAh battery. Motorola claims you'll easily get a full day of battery from the device, and the clamshell design helps you to save battery throughout the day because you'll mostly be using that smaller external display. But we'll have to wait for our proper testing to see if that is the case. The Razr will be available to pre-order in North America and across Europe this December. It'll be $1,500 and €1,599. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments below if you ever had one of the original Razr phones and what you think of the new design as well. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe while you're at it. And remember, for all the latest tech news and reviews, head to techradar.com.